welcome back to Random TV YouTube channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use the big head challenge on your Instagram story or anywhere. So now you know that big head challenge is very popular in the internet today. So what you have to do is I will show you how you can make big head videos and challenge it. So guys, what you have to do is you have to go, first of all you have to go to TikTok, and then after going to TikTok, what you have to do is I will show you how you can make in Instagram. So let me just keep the uh, these things, and then now you have to click on this discover. You can see here, so just click here. So after clicking here, you can see a search bar, so just click on the search bar as big head challenge. You can see here on my screen, you can see here you have to type this big head challenge. So just type here, and then you will find this interface. So guys, you can see here um this will be the interface of your phone. So now let me just click here. You can choose anyone. So let me just click here. After clicking here, what you have to do is you have to click here. You can see you have to click here, you have to click here. So after clicking here, you will find an option as use the sound, use this sound. So just click on use this sound, and then I will show you. Wait for some second. Just click on use this sound, and then guys, you will find an option here, big head challenge. You can see, big head. So guys, after recording this, what you can do is you can save it and you can post in your Instagram account. So guys, this is how you can um you can make a big head challenge on your Instagram. Thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button.